no, dili mo siya kusog.
Pwede man sir mo, pick up man.
Okay na naman. So, okay na?
Okay.
Would you want to say some more?
Sorry kayo, sorry.
Daan na gud mo girlfriend. Daan na gud mo girlfriend si Wendy sa high school. Ingat side, ano? Talagsara kayo ng batchmates mag-menu, no? So you met again after high school?
Nag-college na ako.
Okay, now, we will interview Wendy.
Dito lang kayo, bako lang.
Everything about me, so, di ba?
It's different kung yung story. Wendy Batch 64.
64.
The better half of Glisser.
You read my letter. I think I've said everything about me.
But the others don't haven't.
I think they did.
So you graduate in Xavier?
No, I took my nursing in Cebu. Southern Islands Hospital.
And then,
After pre-nursing in Xavier.
so sa pre-nursing din mo na-met si Glisser. Okay, so dugay-dugay dahil siya kulap.
Siya, nagpuyo siya one block from the place where I was living with my brother. Every time I pauli ko, sabay na siya. Pero yung
So, pero bali the same student sa Xavier. And then you went to Cebu for your nursing.
And then he went to my first job ni Budan, sa Lady.
Serofika Sugar.
For his first job. So, once in a while, doon naman kayo ang Lady o katabukon na.
I love your name of there to win. So you have 3 children?
Or boys and girls.
All are married already.
The two are not married. The third and the last.
Pila edad?
How is Pipi then? Lagi yung mother ko ng mga kayo. Nagtala na magkakak lang mga edad. She was
34. Para kay Joe. Okay. Welcome.
34. The next one is 33. And so naman sila.
They're still with you.
No, my eldest girl is in New York. She's married with children. The second one is with us here in Makati. She's living in another house. She's married. And the youngest is still with us. Single woman.
So you are not yet on the honeymoon stage.